One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Skyworth TV. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is to launch the Skyworth Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. Next, choose the Apps tab and then select the Google Play Store. Then tap the search icon and browse for your desired app. Then select the app from the suggestions and click Install. Last, choose Open to open the app on the Skyworth Smart TV. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called Locast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.